Hi everyone. So if you clicked on this video, that means you're looking for an advice how to replace Vauxhall or Opel Insignia automatic gear stick, which as you can see is quite damaged. Got myself a new one, ordered from eBay. It looks pretty much the same. I've paid for about £5, £6. It's just plastic. Right, to do that I found it easier to do it with your gear stick positioned in neutral. You need to lift up this plastic cover, plastic surrounds, best in this place. Lift it up. It's just clipped in there like that. Lift the cover off as much as you can. Now there used to be a cable tie, which I've just got rid of it now. Once you do that, you can put it back in place and just lift it off. There we go. It works. Okay, so once you get a new one, it's pretty much the same process, just in the reverse. So it's quite difficult to show you. When you put your gear stick, your new one, back in place, slide it from top like that. There it is. You need to put a new cable tie. New cable tie. New cable tie round this spot so it doesn't slide anywhere, stays in place. Once you've done that, just put it back in place, really. Nothing too much complicated. Nothing too complicated. Right, I believe I've helped you. Thanks very much for watching. Job done.